want to pick a few more? Nice. All right. Dorothy, do you want to turn? Picking some flowers.
Hey, did you want to come and try? Try what?
We're picking some flowers. We're going to be making flower crowns. Oh, do you want to pick some?
What?
We're going to snip some flowers. We need more flowers for our flower crowns that we're going to be making
So
later.
what do you want me to do? Did you want to come up here? Where the flowers are? We could do. Yeah, I'll come with you. We're going to pick some more. Pick some more flowers.
Which one do you like?
Oh, which one do I like?
Which one is calling to you?
Oh, you like that one?
I think I like this. Oh, that's a nice one.
I'll hold it for you. Do you want to snip it off? That's good. It's good for grip strength. So
You what?
That's like
snip it. It's good to squeeze these. It's good for
What is
your
wrong
hands.
with this thing?
Whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. It's sera. What will be, will be. When I grew up and fell in love, I asked my sweetheart what lies ahead. Will there be rainbows day after day? Here's what my sweetheart said. Sera. Whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. Sera. What will be, will be. Now I have children of my own, and when they ask me, what will I do? Will I be pretty? Will I be rich? I tell them tenderly, sera. Whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. Sera. What will be, will be. Sera.
I wanted to try to.
No, I was just getting you little.
Do you know this song?
Not sure.
Of course.
Singing in the rain.
Oh yeah, this one.
What a glorious feeling. I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds dark up above. The sun's in my heart and I'm ready for love. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face. I walk down the lane with a happy refrain. Just singing in the rain.
Come on dance. Come on dance in the rain.
I'm happy again.